Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming credentials and device readiness. Sign into Settings or System Preferences now. You need to be logged into the Apple ID used for purchases. Once signed in, navigate directly to Payment and Shipping. Don't wander through menus. You'll see Stored Methods. Tap Edit to remove expired cards or add payment method to enter new details. Make sure billing address matches your bank records because mismatches cause rejections. Next, add or replace the payment method carefully. Enter card number, expiration, CVV, and billing address exactly as on file. Small typos block verification. If you prefer PayPal or mobile carrier billing, select that option and follow the on-screen authorization. Those reduce card errors. Once added, set the new method as primary, then delete any expired or duplicate entries. This prevents accidental charges and ensures subscriptions. Finally, verify the change. Make a small test purchase or check the next subscription billing date to confirm charges route to the new method. If updates don't show, sign out of your Apple ID on the device, then sign back in. That forces sync. If verification still fails, contact your bank to confirm there are no blocks, and then reach out to Apple support for error codes. They can reauthorize payments. A single troubleshooting call usually resolves verification holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.